Hey, it's Dan the Rock Man, and we are going to do a little unboxing, okay? So I picked up some new equipment, some new silver, and let's kind of see what we got, and maybe you will need some of these things too. Alright, let's check it out. Ooh. Alright, first thing I got was a new plate of sterling silver. Nice. Okay. This is 24 gauge. So I'll use it for the backs of my rings and the backs of my pendant. Put that to the side. Next thing. Something that I needed for a while, okay? An organizer, and it spins, look at that. Nice, let's get it up a little closer. Ooh, yeah. I'm looking forward to that. It has different holes for different sizes. As for my Dremel, look at that. No, it's not a pair of pants. It is my new apron. Yeah. Gonna check this out, model it here. Yeah. Okay. So this would be nice. Keep my clothes a little bit cleaner whenever I'm sawing and soldering. Okay. So what's next? A hole puncher. I had this before, I need a new one. Open it up. Oh look, it's got, I almost threw it out of the way. Take a look closer look. I got a couple projects I'm going to do that with. Yes. Put that to the side. What else do we have? Mandrels. And unfortunately there's 18 of those in there, but they're different sizes, so got that. Okay. This is a wood vise handle. Hang on. Put that to the side. There you go. Now, you go ahead and you can put like sterling silver in there, and then you can twist it, and it works really nice for like some small pieces. You can also put it in a drill too. Twist that, put that to the side. What else do we have here? Nice little case. Ooh, it's like Christmas in May. Look at that. Nice little set of tools. Be good for my wire wrapping. Yeah, also for some of my stuff that I do for silversmithing too. Like it? Woo! Okay, the handles, that's what I like. Nice ergonomic handles there. Good. And I like the case too. That's nice. Okay, let's put that back in there. Oh, come on. There. Good. Okay, close that up. Next, I got a silicone polishing kit. Look at that. Now, I haven't used this style before, so I'm looking forward to using it. And I've got a couple of projects that I'm going to be doing here that I'm in the middle of doing, and I needed these things. So, got it? Awesome. Oh, what else do we got here? I got some trim brushes. You definitely need these. You got to get these, okay? They're going to work on the small crevices and everything to get those pieces polished up, like the little ball accents that I'm using on one of my techniques. You'll see it in the videos, upcoming videos. So you need to get these. Alright, okay. Let's keep on going. Alright, rulers! Alright, now these rulers here, okay, they're really neat because not only, I mean, that's just, you know, inches and millimeters, but on the back side of them, they have where, come on, I don't have a scissors, use my mouth. That didn't work. Oh wait, it did work. There we go. Good. Alright, so on the back side it shows bracelet and ring sizes. That's going to be really handy for a quick rule of thumb. There we go. Alright, I'm not going to sit down. I'm like, ooh, this is neat. Christmas in May. Alright. There you go. Nice little handy measuring. I've got a big one. I just needed a little one. Makes it easier. Toss that to the side. And I got one last thing. Toss this to the side too. Alright, those little pins, you're going to stick them into your Dremel and you're going to sharpen them if you need to, and they're awesome for getting in real tight small places, like in between a bezel and an accent that you might have. And that, so looking forward to using those. Alright, and I have different grit sizes. Alright, that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you see anything there that you need, go ahead and I'll have some links down below so that you guys can order things like that. I do get some stuff on Amazon.com, and I do get a small commission. It doesn't jack your price up whatsoever, but it helps support this channel. All right. Thank you, and see you on the next ones. We're working on some pendants and rings, and we'll have those videos up over the next few weeks. All right, see you later. Bye.